Hey guys, it's the plant doctor here. What I want to do today is show you around the greenhouse at Snead State. So we have a lot of you guys that follow the channel here came through the horticulture program here. So I just wanted to give you a quick update of what we got going on. As you can see behind me here, we have tons, as a matter of fact, 1,200 plugs. So we've got some seeds over here, we got cuttings. I just want to walk you through the greenhouse. Thank you to the City of Boaz for allowing us this opportunity. So we grow the annuals for the City of Boaz. So if you've ever driven down Main Street or been to the park on Main or around City Hall, what you see there growing is stuff that my students grew. And so I just want to walk you through the greenhouse and take a look at some of these. We'll start off here. So these are plugs that my students grew from ball seed. And so we have three types of coleus. We have Kingswood Torch. We have Alabama, Riverwalk, and we have Oxford Street. So there's probably 400 coleus there. We have two types of impatiens that we're growing. So we have vigorous pink. We have compact coral. So those are our two types of impatiens we're growing. A new type of salvia that we're growing is dark purple. So dark purple salvia. We have about 100 of those. A new type of petunia that I wanted to give a shot this year is Queen of Hearts. So this one's going to have a flower that is yellow and red. We have two types of angelonias. We have purple and we have white. We have purple BICOPA, and also what we have is ornamental sweet potatoes. So what we're going So if you've ever been down to Main Street in Boaz, you may have seen the baskets. So these are the baskets. Some of the soil still in some of these from last year. But what we're going to do is take our annuals and plant these in the baskets, and these will hang on Main Street for the City of Boaz. So we're really excited about doing this. Underneath the benches here, we have Japanese maple rootstock. They need to be weeded out, but one of the things that the students are going to get to do here in lab this coming up week is we're going to graft these Japanese maples. In addition to growing the annuals for the City of Boaz this year, we also partnered with them. We're doing raised beds, garden beds for the senior center. And so we'll have some vegetables this year as well. These are tomatoes coming up. We got celebrity tomatoes, better boy tomatoes, sweetheart tomatoes. We have some okra and cucumber. We'll have a herb bed for them as well. So we've got some basil that's just now starting to come up. We have some cilantro, more better boy tomatoes, Athena cantaloupes. So these are Athenas right here. We've also been practicing doing some cuttings. So we have some Mexican heather here, some coleus, some citronella plants, some verbenas, rosemary, purple salvia. So we've done some cuttings as well in the greenhouse. We're also growing from divisions. These are Stella de Oro daylilies that are just now starting to pop up. Guys, as always, thanks for watching The Plant Doctor. Thank you to the City of Boaz for allowing us to have this opportunity. We've got a lot of exciting things going on here in the greenhouse. So the students, they're learning how to grow from plugs, they're learning how to grow from seed, they're learning how to grow from cuttings, they're learning how to graft trees. I give the students a well-rounded education in terms of how you can grow plants.